Hello and welcome to The Ripped Vegan, the online course that gives vegans a step-by-step guide to packing on muscle, shedding fat and building the ultimate vegan body. Have you ever struggled as a vegan to pack on size, pack on muscle and bulk up as you'd like to? Have you ever read or been told that you have to eat loads of animal products and loads of meat if you want to get in shape? Have you ever struggled to create a nutrition plan that leaves you feeling nourished, energized and bulking at a rate that you'd like to? And have you ever struggled in the gym to go up in weight, go up in size and improve at the rate that you'd like to as a vegan? If you've answered yes to any of the questions, then this is the course for you. I'm Michael Roberts, a high-performance life coach, a vegan, and most importantly, someone who has achieved their dream body. I've experimented with all the different workout plans, all the different nutrition plans, all the different food, what works, what doesn't. I've tried and tested it all, and as a result, I've worked out exactly what works, what doesn't, and what gets results. And that is precisely what I'm going to teach you in this course. You'll learn how to work out with the most effective exercises and on a schedule that's right for you. You'll discover how to instantly get clear on your goals, what you want to achieve, and how you're going to achieve it. You'll learn how to create a nutrition plan that's tailored to your exact requirements and filled with the healthy foods that you enjoy. You'll then learn how to work out effectively, even if you don't have the time or money to go to a gym, and I'm going to show you precisely how you can do this. You'll learn rep ranges, rep timings, and how to train for maximum hypertrophy. And most exciting, you'll learn the next steps that you can take starting today to achieve your dream body. I designed this course for anyone who is not getting the results that they desire, or anyone who is starting completely from scratch. The course is made up of easy to follow lessons that keep you engaged and help you to take action right from today. So by the end of this course, not only will you have a nutrition plan and a workout plan that will lead to your success, but you'll also be completely clued up on everything that you need to know and well on the way to finally achieving your dream body. Check out the course outline and the description below to see everything that's included, and then click Enroll Now to learn the remarkably simple steps to achieving your vegan dream body. Do it now and I'll see you on the other side. Let's get started.